Hi friends! Today we're playing a brand new guessing game. Can you guess what's inside the egg? Look carefully, listen to the clue, and see if you can guess before the egg hatches. Let's begin! Look at this egg. Something is inside. Here's a clue. It says, chip, 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 chip. It has yellow feathers. What do you think is inside? 3, 2, 1. The egg is hatching. It's a chick. Wow. Great job. Now look at this egg. Here's a clue. It lived millions of years ago. It had sharp teeth. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. The egg is hatching. It's a dinosaur. Roar. What's inside this egg? Here's a clue. It has a shell. It loves swimming. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's a sea turtle. Fantastic. Now for the next egg. Look carefully. Here's a clue. It has no legs. It slithers on the ground. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's a snake. Amazing. Next one. What could be inside? Here's a clue. It loves water. It says, quack, 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 quack. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's a duck. Great guessing. Last egg, and it's a hard one. Here's a clue. It has a long tail. It has lots of sharp teeth. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's a crocodile. Wow, you got it. Amazing job. You guessed all the animals. Which animal was your favorite? The chick, the dinosaur, the sea turtle, the snake, the duck, or the crocodile? Thanks for playing with me. Our next adventure is waiting for you in the Airplane Man channel. Click on the next video. See you there. Bye, friends.